Come on. Oh damn, I'm using this again. I'm using the solder and then here's a stern and I can't use it on my. Okay, very nice. So now we need this to stay here. Look at my tools, bro. Jeez Louise, Tevs. You know what? Let's be patient here. You need this to be right on this. So that when we start to solder, it's just going to suck in. So what I'll do is I will take this. Very loosely. Oh boy, I'm making a mess. Alright. I just need something to keep this here now. Tevi, what you doing? Jeez. Alright. We are professionals. Let's go. You good? Stay there. Good. I was so shit. I was so terrible. So he had so much soda now. Oh boy, Tevi. Bro, could you stay there? I know they come out. Come on.